If you've accidentally deleted messages on Apple Music, you may be able to recover them through a few methods. Follow these steps to attempt recovery. Step 1. Check recently deleted folder. Open the Apple Music app and navigate to the recently deleted section if available. This folder may contain messages that were deleted within the last 30 days, allowing you to restore them easily. Step 2. Restore from iCloud backup. If you regularly back up your device to iCloud, you can restore a previous backup that may contain your deleted messages. Go to Settings, tap on your name, select iCloud, then choose Manage Storage to see if you have a relevant backup. Step 3. Use iTunes/Finder backup. If you back up your device using iTunes or Finder, connect your device to your computer. Open iTunes or Finder, select your device, and choose Restore Backup. Pick a backup from before the messages were deleted. Step 4. Check other devices. If you use Apple Music on multiple devices, check those devices to see if the messages are still available. Sometimes, messages may not sync across all devices immediately. Step 5. Contact Apple Support. If the above methods do not work, consider reaching out to Apple Support for assistance. They may have additional tools or options to help you recover your deleted messages. By following these steps, you may be able to recover your deleted messages on Apple Music. If all else fails, remember to regularly back up your data to prevent future losses.